In this video we will learn how to generate an employee info request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the employee module on top navigation bar. So here you can see employee info request form. Click on the apply for employee info button. Next, select an employee whose info request is to be generated. Change the required information that is allowed. Click on a submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. To allow or change the employee info fields to be changed, go to Employee Settings. Then Employee Filed Approval Setting Form. Here you can see all the fields named. You can enable or disable any field for request. And then click on Save.